Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you tuning in for the first time, my name is Vivi and today we're gonna try my first makeup look. I'll first start with primer, and now I am using the Mary Kay foundation primer and it has sunscreen. So I normally would put just a dab, just a little bit, and put it all over on my T-zone. Alright, so after I put primer all over my face, I'm going to grab my foundation. I've already dampened my sponge, and I am using the Mary Kay CC cream. It also has sunscreen. It goes on very creamy, but then when it dries powdery. I wouldn't say it's completely full coverage. Some of my pores and the redness, I always get redness here, so it covers that. So once I've had all of this done, for concealer I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Now I do use a little bit because this is full coverage, so I do go with a very light hand, and then I just kind of cover right under my eye. Alright, so now for powder, I'm also using the Mary Kay translucent loose powder. And then I set my under eyes with that. Alright, so I will put the translucent powder under my eyes. And then I'll grab a huge brush and then just brush it. Put the powder over my face. Now I'm going to use, and the brush that I used is an e.l.f. 101 brush, and the sponges are the Jeffree Star Morphe sponges. Now for bronzing, I'm going to use the Avon True Color. It's a bronzing powder. And I'm also using the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS1, I think it's the name of it. Yes, JS1. I love these brushes. Just go very lightly. I'd rather just go light than looking muddy, just because I don't know what I'm doing. So now I am going to just kind of brush my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Gel. This is another thing, I go very, very lightly. I already have dark brows naturally, so I just basically use this to kind of fill in the little spots, little bald spots here and there. So now I have, now that I have my eyebrows done, so now I'm going to use my Morphe X James Charles palette. I got it for my birthday and it's brand new, as you can see. it still has the plastic on it. It's so beautiful. To be honest, I don't want to use it. Grab a Jeffree Star Morphe X JS6 brush, and then I am going to use this color right here to set my eyes. It's a nice neutral color. So I was thinking of digging into these purple magenta shades. So I'm going to grab this beautiful magenta color, and we're gonna put that right on that crease. Oh my goodness. This color, it's something else. And I am barely touching it, and it's extremely pigmented. Now I saw that James Charles came out with the mini palette. It was so funny because I just recently traveled international, and I had to take a different palette to do my makeup because I was petrified to take this palette and have it broken, even in my carry-on bag, or that because of the size of it, they would give me problems, whatever. So when I came back, he launched his mini palette. So of course, you know, I'm over here laughing because yeah, that would actually happen as soon as I come back from my travels. So I will still get it because I have more travels to do, so I'm able to take the beautiful color variety. All right, so I'm going to put that brush aside, and now I'm going to grab this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I am going to go with this color right here. And we're just gonna put that all over the lid. Just like that. Now for some reason my eyes always cry when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Does that happen to you guys? Comment below if that also happens to you guys when you guys do your eyeshadows or your eye makeup. For some reason it just always, and nothing is in my eye, it just likes to cry. Alright, now we're going to use the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS5. I think this is a fluffy brush. And then I'm just gonna kind of buff out the outer portions of it just to avoid any harsh lines. And we're gonna go into this beautiful sparkly color. Now first I'm gonna use my finger. Look how beautiful that is. And then we're gonna put that right in the middle of the eyelid. Holy moly, that's gorgeous. Again, so I'm gonna grab the same brush as earlier. I'm just gonna blend it out. So now I'm going to use this purple color just a little bit for dimension in the crease area. Pigment galore. Now I'm going to grab the JS5 and line that out. And then we have a little bit of color. And we're going to put it under my eye. And kind of buff that out. Alright, so we're gonna buff that out. This is an e.l.f. smudge brush, and we're just gonna, with no product on it, we're just gonna buff that out. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. I'm gonna go into New Money with the same finger and just put, kind of blend that in. And I'm thinking, let's put some on the bottom too. You can never be too sparkly. There's no such thing as too much glitter, too much sparkle. So with this tiny brush, it's an e.l.f. Defining Eye Brush. I'm going to go into Rich Girl right up here. It's another fluffy brush. I got this one also in an Ipsy bag many moons ago. It is the Luxie 205. And I'm going to put some of that Rich Girl sparkle as well right up here. Just to kind of give that eyebrow a little bit of shine. Now that I have my eyes done, I'm going to use Mary Kay liquid eyeliner pen. Now with this with these eyeliners, I've just recently also learned how to use it and how to kind of how to get the thin lines and kind of have control over it. Eye. With a Morphe X Jeffree Star brush JS4, I'm gonna grab the highlighter that's right up here and see. I think that's a highlighter. Yeah. Now I see something. Whoop. All right. Now, like I said, I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional. I'm not trying to be a professional either. So there is no right or wrong way when you're doing your makeup. Now for the lips. So for the lips, I am thinking of going nude. I have a lot going on up here, so I'm gonna try to go more on the nude side. Now I've been obsessed with the Kylie gloss, one of her first glosses. I have the Mary Kay lip liner in color Soft Blush. I'm obsessed with how long wear it is, with the color. I feel like it goes perfect with anything. I mean, got it. So I have the Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara. I am coming out of my comfort zone with makeup. I'm normally not one to wear makeup at all, but this year I made it a point to, you know, try things out of my comfort zone and be more creative. So I decided to get creative with makeup. Now for the grand finish, setting spray. Sorry. I am using the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray. What do you guys think? So thank you so much, guys, for watching me. I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below any suggestions, any other makeup products that you guys want me to try. See you next time.